Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a couple updates that I kept pushing back, and today is the day. I wanted to show you, first of all, the moon is made of cheese. We call her Mouse or Moon. And I had made this outfit for her at Irene Huff's Doll Space request for My Bella Blessing. Had some health problems that she wanted prayer warriors. And so Irene asked everyone to dress their dolls in camo. Couldn't find camo, but I found a shirt and I made this little outfit. And I wanted a gun. And Darren says, Darren 3D prints these. He said, what kind of gun do you want? I said, I want something different. How about a flintlock pistol? So he printed me up one, and I said, oh, that's cute. You know what I could do? Can you print a couple more? He said, how many more? I said, let's do 3. So I took one in her hand, had one in her hand, and one in her bra, and one in her boot. And I told Darren, I said, oh my God, it reminds me of Blackbeard. Edward Teach had a Blackbeard. He was a pirate, and he carried 6 flintlock guns in a, he had a, oh, what do you call it? What are the...
Like a bandolier?
Yeah, like a bandolier that he had the 6 guns in. And then he had, in his beard, he had a great big black beard. He would put fuses, like dynamite fuses. No dynamite, just the fuses. So his beard would be on fire and the guns would be all lit up to intimidate whatever ship he was boarding. And I've often wondered, do we call the 6-shooter a 6-shooter because Edward Teach had 6 flintlocks? I've just wondered that. Anyway, I told Darren, I said, oh my God, she reminds me of Blackbeard. Let's print 3 more guns. So I did. And she has one in each of her fancy stomping boots. Boy, those are some serious combat boots. You heard somebody with those. One in her waist, one in her bra, and one in each hand. Edward Teach could shoot right and left-handed very accurately. Then we have Wednesday Addams, and I love this doll. I got to tell you, if I use the word favorites, there is a possibility she might be one. We filmed her at the graveyard to introduce her outfit and such. And I had also made her a skirt to go with the pants. It was so hot when we filmed at the graveyard. I forgot half the things I was going to show you and tell you. I did her buttons by taking the needle down in between the seams. Then I got down here and I had a knot, and I wanted to show you what I had done. I used tweezers to tie that off, and I wanted to show you how short, can you see that? I'm going to put it against the black. How short of a knot I tied there. And then I went on down and finished the last button. But I did that so it wouldn't have a big white line and that get caught on something. I met Nicole and John. Now I've met John. From Not the Cool Dolls. They have a shop on Etsy, and I met her in Hobby Lobby. I have the whole story on my website, lovingmysmartdolls.com. It is quite incredible. The odds of it all falling into place is incredible. Nicole has Smart Dolls, has a Smart Doll business, and they live not 10 miles from me, and she also knits, is learning to crochet, and we meet on Monday mornings at our library where we have, what is it called? Library Yarns, which is very cool. And she brings me stuff. And they make these and sell them on their website. I absolutely love these. This was the first one she gave me. Love it. They're going to sell these on their shop, and you might want one. She has these skeletons, which would be so cool in a doll diorama, or a smart doll could hold it. And then look at all these goodies. And she brought me this whole handful, this whole little bag yesterday to library yarns. There's a little coffin, there's little bitty ghost, little bitty bat, ghost, what's this one? Spider web, yeah. And this was in it, and I just love that. It's actually a crow's skeleton with an exaggerated beak, and which became a doctor's mask called, what is it called, Darren? Plague doctor. Yeah, I couldn't think of it to save me. Look, there's a pumpkin, there's a key, all kinds of stuff. I'll get that in a minute. So while we were at yarns, I said, okay, I want to put an order in. I would like that plague doctor skeleton in black, and her smart doll was wearing this necklace, and I said, oh, I need one of those for Wednesday. Look, they add a bead. They add beads at on the rings when they put this on the necklace. I think that's fantastic. We went out to lunch, and she gifted me these. That is so cool. All right, then we went to Walmart after, and I couldn't resist it. I couldn't. I have not been buying dolls in the stores. I've only been buying, well, actually for quite a while, unless it was really something I wanted or a Blythe really, really cheap. I guess it's been over a year that I've been doing that. I started doing it because I wanted the Kenner Blythes. I do have a large collection of Kenner Blythes. And now the Smart Dolls, rather than buying, 5, 6, 7 Playline dolls, I get these. Anyway, we were in Walmart, couldn't resist. Isn't she cute? This is not the one that I thought it was. There's another little series of these. I had seen them. This is a speaker that you plug into your, computer or iPhone or whatever. Isn't she cute? Had to have it I have a collection of Wednesday Addams dolls. I even have a chubby Blythe. I have 3 or 4 Blythes Wednesday Addams, or 5. And a chubby Blythe, but I love that. Let me show you her skirt. I just love this necklace, especially on this doll, and all these little items that you made. Nicole and John, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to give you an update. Oh, I want to point out that Darren built a frame so that I would have a backdrop on days that I would like to have a backdrop. And we bought some fabric, and I can change this easily. And I really like it. Thank you to Darren. Thank you to John. Thank you to Nicole. I will leave a link for Not the Cool Dolls in the description below. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.